What's up, guys? It's your girl Kalila, and I've got a quick stretch for you that's going to prepare you to twerk with heels, without heels, whatever it is. It's going to get you ready. Now let's get right into it. Your feet are going to be about shoulder width apart, hands on the hips, and let's just bring it around town, all the way around, loosening up your hips and your glutes, because we about to use them things. Bring it around town like SpongeBob. And then we're going to go the other way. Boom, other way. Around. Really push it out. Yes. Rotate, rotate, rotate. Give me a few more. Yeah, 2 more. Roll it. Rolling, rolling, rolling. All right, now. Just side to side, rock it, bend those knees, you're gonna dip, hips up, dip, dip, push it out, really push side to side. Yeah, you got that. Now from here, point your toes forward. You can put your hands right in front of you, and then you're just gonna lateral lunge right over the foot. Really sit into that side booty and get those knees oiled up. Yeah. Lateral lunge. And then if you have weak knees, maybe you're just not as low. Maybe you're just right here. That works too. This is your stretch. So the range of motion you have is what you work with. Alrighty. Give me 2 more. 2. Now, let's point our toes out to the side, a little diag, and we're just going to squat down. Roll those knees up. Squat and squeeze. Down and squeeze. Yes, you got it. So we're getting our stretch on and a little bit of a workout because we want to strengthen those legs, especially if you guys are going to wear your heels. Okay, give me 2 more. 2. And 1. All right, now sit back down there for me. And I want you to lift the heel. Because if you are wearing those heels, we got to get those calves ready. We got to get those feet ready. Lift. And breathe too. Lift. And lift. Ooh, mine's is cracking. It means I really needed it. Lift it. Lift it good. Lift it. Now lift it good. Get it. Get real hood. Well, you don't have to get hood with the lift, but sometimes I like to rhyme. Give me 2 more. 2. And 1. Now we're going to bring our feet together. And this one might seem a little silly, but it is going to loosen those knees up. And I just want you to keep your knees together and just roll it out. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Yeah. And then we go the other way. Boom. Roll the knees out. Loosen it on up. There you go. We love to see it. And we're gonna be it. Because we're getting ready to twerk. All right. Now from the side, I'm gonna have my hands on my hips. And I'm just gonna do a glute kickback because I wanna kind of activate my glutes, but support my back. So standing glute, if you need to hold a wall or something, you can do that too. And you're gonna hold your center tight, just kick back. Glute kick back. I like to point my toes because it looks pretty. And then I also want you to focus on keeping your core tight for everything, not just now. Always keep your core tight. That's gonna help you with keeping a flat stomach. That's gonna help you with doing everything better. Always keep your core tight. And that means, like when you laugh, ha ha ha, that feeling right there, keep that feeling tight. Keep kicking back and squeeze. 3, 2, and 1. Now from here, Let's do a little deep hip flexor stretch. So 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. And you can rest the hand on the thigh. Now, if you have the range of motion, go all the way down because you really want to stretch that hip flexor just so we're preventing pulling on our knees. Okay? Breathe through it. And let's stretch to the back. Reach the arm up. And keep breathing through it. Set the knee down if you can. Pull this foot up in the back. Reach forward so you can get that extra quad stretch. Now, if you can't do that, you can reach and you can work towards it too. Or you can just keep it here. Whatever works for you guys. This is your stretch. This is your body. You're getting ready to twerk. And you're doing what it takes to keep your body safe before you get into the twerk. So now, let's straighten the legs out and walk it to the other side. Runner stretch or your deep hip flexor stretch. You might be here or you might be all the way down. That is up to you and your body. Deep breath. I'm gonna twist up to the back. Oof, my body is like, girl, you need this. I know I did. Now you can set that knee down, get that extra quad stretch in, or you're working up to it if you can't do this. Okay? Things don't happen overnight if you're just starting, so it's totally fine if you don't have this stretch yet. Okay, we're gonna release. Straighten out the legs, head down. Bring it to the center. And we're just gonna twist to one side. Arm up to the ceiling. Really getting that hamstring stretch because we are totally using our lower body to twerk. Super dominant with the lower body. Other side. Ooh, my hip just cracked, y'all. See? These are the stretches we need. If you're hearing cracking and snapping, that means you needed this. Let's do 2 more. Reaching to the sky. Straight arms, energy through the body. And this is just gonna feel good. Always try to do a stretch before your workouts, guys. Even if I just give you a quick 5-minute, 3-minute stretch, do your pre-stretch. It's really gonna help with recovery and just feeling good and making sure you don't injure yourself. Now from here, let's roll it up nice and slow through the spine. And I'm gonna put my heel up. I'm gonna touch the toe. Bring it back up. Bend that supporting leg. Touch the toe. Toe touch. Or just the toe reach if you can't touch. Toe touch. Touch it. Yes. There you go. Let's do 2 more. 2. And 1. Now from here, I'm gonna go back to the side. Let me go to this side. Switch sides. Now, for the back, so we can stretch out that back, because we're using our back to twerk. We're not twerking like that meme like that, but our back is involved in it, you know. So I want you to stretch out your back by rolling forward and rolling it up. Full range of motion. Give me a big old snake. And it should feel really good. Roll it and snake it. It's almost like you're standing cat-cow, but you're more of a snake than a cat or a cow because you're giving me that motion in the ocean, stretching out that back. Ooh, might be one of my favorite things to do. Let's do 2 more. 2. Last one. Oh yeah. Okay. Last thing, guys. Just in case you put on those heels, go Go ahead and put your hands on your hips and find your balance. Use that core to make it nice and tight and center yourself. And you're just gonna roll your foot out. Roll the ankle. Get your feet ready for those heels. And then go the other way. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Yes. There we go. Other way. Other side. Find the center. Roll the ankle. Get your body ready. Now do the other way. And you guys are on your way to twerkdom. Okay? Now shake it out because you gotta be loose. You gotta be loose for the juice, okay? And you are now, all right? We got the lower body going and flowing, and we're ready to twerk. Period.